Welcome to this episode of Camp Kitchen Cooking King. My name is Tim Smith and I am a Camp Kitchen Cooking King. Thank you, Thetford. They are my sponsor. They are providing the mini grill that I'm going to be cooking on today. They've provided this beautiful fridge freezer. Go online, thetford.com.au. Have a look at the magnificent products they have on offer. Today, I'm going to be cooking for you your new favourite recipe. It's called an inside-out Parma. I'll show you what we're doing. Right off the top, I'm going to take some mushies. I'm going to slice these bad boys up. That's 2 button mushrooms. And here's my chicken. We've gone 2 chicken fillets. They're thick and they're going to take a long time to cook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice this bad boy. I'm going to open him up like so. Now I'm cutting the other. So I'm going to use the bag that the chicken fillets came in, and what I'm doing is I'm lying them flat in the bag on the bench. I'm going to be doing some delicate work. It's hammer time! We are pounding these chicken fillets. I'm thinning these chicken fillets out. Go to the old Thetford mini grill, fire up. Oh yeah. You're going to need this plate. And this is salt and pepper. I've combined them both together, and that's why I'm the Camp Kitchen Cooking King. Out comes the first pounded fillet. Here we go, salt and pepper together. Oh yeah, look at that. As you can see, I'm giving it a fair old salt and peppering. I'm going to flip him over. Another reason why I'm the Camp Kitchen Cooking King is because at home I've made my world famous tomato relish. It's a mixture of tomatoes, mustard seeds, onion, vinegar and a whole heap of chilies. Look at that ham. Ham, ham, ham. Again, you can't have too much ham. We wondered why we did the mushies before. They're going in too. Mushies are on. And of course, cheese. Now, I've gone for your, well, you can see it's your Swiss cheese. Now, I'm reaching in and grabbing our second fillet. We're laying him on the top. And I'm only sort of salt and peppering one side of this. Butter in. I'm trying to get this all in the pan. So I'm giving the mini grill a little bit more heat. This is only going to take 5 minutes each side. Okay, this is the dicey bit now. Please try this at home. Here we go. We're done. Okay, it actually does take a little bit shorter on the flip side than it does on the first side. Off goes the grill. Just give you a little bit of view inside, and as you can see, it's all cooked through. It's beautiful. Now, while I've been cooking this, Irene from Thetford, our beautiful sponsors, has been waiting outside, and I'm going to take this out and let her have a sample of it, and we'll decide whether it's up to par. Let's go and have a look. Irene, it's ready. It's your inside-out Parma. There's some fighting gear. I've got mushies and relish in there that is.
So it's even healthy. Yeah, well done, Tim.
Thank you. So that's all this week from Camp Kitchen Cooking King. Another job done well. Hey.